Do employers value Coursera certificates? If you're thinking about investing your time in online learning, this is probably one of the biggest questions on your mind. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing if you're interested. The short answer is yes. Many employers do value Coursera certificates, especially when they come from recognized companies and universities and are relevant to the job you're applying for. Coursera partners with organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and hundreds of leading universities. These programs are designed to teach practical, job-relevant skills in areas such as AI, data science, business, cybersecurity, project management, and technology. However, employers usually care more about your actual skills and experience than the certificate itself. Professional certificates from companies like Google and IBM are particularly popular because they focus on skills that are in demand in today's job market. Another advantage is that Coursera certificates can be added to your LinkedIn profile and resume, making it easier for recruiters and hiring managers to see your accomplishments. With Coursera Plus, subscribers get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and projects from over 350 leading universities and companies. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. The current offer is available until July 13th, 2026. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start building skills from some of the world's leading universities and companies.